All right. Okay. We are coming back. You are looking live for Rob and Maria, our daily recap. Had a little bit of a hiccup there with our sound. We got some new speakers today, and they're less than ideal. So I made a great speech, and unfortunately, the little speech got erased. So we will do that. We will have to do that again.
You'll have to just wing it.
I just have to wing it. So I think we're up. Are we up there? Is that where we are?
I hope so.
I think we are. Now we hear. No, we hear you. Probably Butch means now we hear you. Okay. Well, Butch, I have bad news for you. We are having the worst day ever. Let's try. What was the speech I was giving? It was really beautiful. I forget what it was.
Your worst day is here.
Oh yes. Okay. Look, here we go. This is silly.
How much time do we have, Phil?
We got how much time we have?
Can they see it?
I think so. Yeah. Okay. Look,
11 minutes.
what did we say? We said the day before yesterday that our worst day was coming. We did not expect it to come
this soon.
Right? And although today is the biggest down day we've seen roughly a year for multiple entry iron condors, yes, I am actually reading this because I can't get it up on the screen where it is. So it's the worst that we've seen for multiple entry iron condors and exponential moving average traders. And I want to say this right up front. We're not surprised by this. We're not panicked by this. We're more panicked by the fact that we couldn't get our
speakers,
microphone and speakers working. Yeah. We're not changing our system. Look, math says we're going to have days like this. I absolutely get it. If you trade long enough, you're going to have large winning days. You're going to have large losing days. You're going to have days when your microphone doesn't work. And we're going to have all those. That's not a flaw. That's just variance. We're math-based traders. Math does pay money, and it's just a matter of doing it enough times. And so over many days, many weeks, many quarters is where you want to win. And that's really where our edge is. And, one of the things I like to take a look at is that you see, let me just show this options to make. Look, you can see this is the biggest down day that we've ever had. And by the way, let's get an official time check on this. It is 3:40. Oh, I got the clock behind us. 3:49. Okay. Great. So the trades don't come on for another minute. And that's right to the second.
At least when I hook up stuff, it works. Like the clock.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So we're down like 38,000 for today. The small account is down. You take the green minus red, $1,500. Remember though, when you take a look at the overall since October, we're up 361,000. So say we lose 45 grand today. We're still up 31% in 3 months. 31% in 4 months, that's 3 times. For those of you that went to public school like me, that's around 90% rate of return. That's great. And we're still, even if we lost $1,000 in this account right here, the small account, we're up 11.3, we'll be up 10.3, which still is 34% in 4 months. That's like 99% rate of return. So our edge, by the way, is not avoiding days like today. How many times have we seen traders, they try a new strategy, and then they get pissed. Oh, 3 days in a row, I lost. This is never going to work. Or halfway through the day, oh, today's is a losing day. I'm going to quit. No, that's not true. First of all, do what you want, okay? This is not financial advice. Our lawyers tell us, do your own back testing, decide what you want to do. What I'm going to do is stay in there. I hang in there. And yes, I might have a big losing day, but I know over time, I'm going to be winning. Look at these are absolutely the numbers. Okay. We got 351. There it is right now. Let's take a look at our Tasty Trade platform. And we're going to go here to, we don't want 20 days. We want to go to the 0 DTEs. And here they are right here. Looks like we're coming in on where are we coming in on today? We are coming in on the put side. We're coming in on here they come. They're trying to get a fill. We're asking for 265. They're only offering 175, 195 now. We're asking 260. They're offering 173. We're never going to get a fill at that. We're asking 260. Now they're offering 170. We're still not getting any fills. There's no way you could do this without the robot. There's no way. Look we're getting over and over. If you're watching on this side of the screen, and let me move this over so you can see more clearly. If you're watching on the right-hand side of the screen over here, you can see that all these things are trying to get filled. Let's get the workings out. You see, right now we haven't got any fills at 351. It's working. They're trying to get $1 there. Now it's going to reload. It went through the first minute there. Now we're starting to get loaded. Here we come. So these are all puts. They're getting filled. The short side is 69.40. Looks like they're all 69.40s. There they are, 69.40. So let's go over to the chart. Let's get this bad boy in here. Where is our chart? Probably ought to start getting prepared a little bit ahead of time, huh?
Told you.
Told me, woulda, coulda, shoulda. 69.40, there it is right there. So we're on the put side, right? So we want this to stay above 69.40.
You sure?
I'm 100%, I'm 95, I'm 45% sure. I'm 45% sure. So did we get any chat room in here? Did we get a chat? There's a chat room. Good. It's only us and Butch. Oh no, there's Ace Ventura. We've got a couple of other people.
There's some in there.
Yeah, massive apologies. We were going to announce the world's best back tester. We'll do that later. But one thing I did want to touch on in all seriousness, and one thing that Marie and I talked about, actually we didn't even talk about it, I wanted to talk to you about it, is that when we have these huge down days like today, it's important. One of the things I love trading with my spouse, right?
Can you make that bigger for them? I mean, it's still tiny. Is that what they see?
They see the whole thing. They see the whole, you mean the chart like this?
Yeah, make it big.
That's
what we're all here for.
Yes, ma'am. That's what she said. This is what you see. This is what they see right here. That's the best I can do. What can I tell you? I can make it, you know what? I can make it bigger. So how about, that's what she said, right? How about boop? And how about like, we're getting punched out. We're getting punched out. So there we go. We're losing all these. Well,
it's Friday and
yep. And you
silver's down. How much? A lot.
So look at, and this refreshes once every minute. So we're going to lose, I'm guessing we're going to lose around 40 grand. No, I'm guessing we'll lose around 40 grand today, but we don't know for sure. Let's keep looking at it. Looks like all of them got punched out. And you know what we're going to do? I'll tell you what I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to close out all these. I can get out of these for a buying power effect is, I think I can get out of a lot of these for 10 cents. I don't know if I can or not. I think I can get out of a few of them. Let's see if we can't pick up
hurry up.
10 cents on each of these. Let's see if we got a fill on these. No, now it's down to 8 cents. This is a problem on these things. If I can't get 10 cents, what's the time left? We got 6 minutes to go. We're not going to get a fill on these. I'm afraid. Let's see if we can at least get a nickel, right? At least I get a nickel here. Get 5 cents times 10. At least get $50. We'll pick up $50 pays for dinner. Here we go. Boom. There we go. We got filled. And got 10 of them out of there. There's still 6 left. Let's get rid of those. I thought we were getting rid of all of them. We can do them for a nickel here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but we're going to get these. Boom. And I just close these out for, there, I close those out for a nickel each. And now we went along. What, did I do too many of them? No. Okay. These are the longs that we had before. So, all right. So, and then on the call side, it looks like we're golden. I mean, we just got to stay between 6,900, which is obviously going to be easy, and 6,960.
Can we see it?
So we lost we lost it all because it went in this massive drop down here. That's when we got punched out on all of them. So, that makes it a perfect day, doesn't it? Remember when we went to Paris? We went to the Hotel Athene, and the food was supposed to be so great, and every single course was awful. And we ordered dessert, and we're like,
we were hoping it was awful. This way, at least it was
consistent. It was consistent, and it was awful, right? It was terrible. It was, and by the way, great hotel, great restaurant, everything was great about it. Just they had a bad night. Everybody has off night, but that was funny. So, in the spirit of hotel, this is a Hotel Athene day. Look, we got 19,000 on the good side. Or 18,000 on the good side and 60,000 on the bad side. So that's about 40 grand loss. And so you take that 40 grand loser and you say, yeah, but and then on the small account, they're going to be down like $1,500. And so you're going to take that 40,000 off of this 361 and we're going to be like 320 for the 4 months. On $1 million account, that's 32%. So that's a 96% rate of return. It's not terrible, but it was a lot better 2 days ago when we were up 50 grand. We lost 60 grand in 2 days, so that's never good, never ideal. End of month is a tough time to trade. It is. It's interesting, Scotty. When we backtest. A lot of people tell us, what about this period, that period? We look at end of month, end of quarter, FOMC days, FOMC minute days. Actually, all of them test positive. The one that's significantly worse, but still a positive day is FOMC day. And I have a sneaking suspicion that once Powell's out of there,
It's going to be great.
it's going to be great because Kevin Warsh got appointed today to the Fed to replace Powell. Powell has kind of an axe to grind on Trump. Whichever side of the fence you fall on politically, I'm indifferent to that. But I can certainly understand if every single question you get is, well, what about your boss firing you? What do you think of that? And he says, I don't want to talk about it. And the next question is, well, what's your wife say about, your boss trying to fire you? He gets pissed, And so he doesn't say nice things during the interview. And that causes the problem.
But that should change when the new guy is in.
When the new guy's in, right, he'll be...
It's a clean slate.
It's a clean slate, and whatever the vote is, he's just going to stick with the vote, and that'll be fine. So, okay, what do we got here? We got 2.5 minutes to go. What else was I going to talk about today that was going to be...
Well, I got some cues today.
Oh, the other thing we talked about is hiding information from your spouse. How many times have we heard about, typically the man, but not always, is trading, and he's boasting to the wife, oh, I won, blah, 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 blah. And then they say, Dad, how'd you do today on losing days? And he doesn't say anything, or he lies. He says, oh, I won again, or I broke even, right? And that is, first of all, that's the wrong thing to do at all, is to lie to your spouse. But number two, and the reason is not because lying's bad, but because she's going to find out, and when she finds out, it's going to be worse. When you say,
the only thing I don't lie about my trading.
No.
I just lie about the cost of my purses and shoes.
Yes, and furniture. I know it used to be about a doubler, now it's about a tripler that I got to put in there. And she's like, no, the credit card got it wrong again. I'll take care of that later. Like, what? Wait, okay. So let's take a look. Let's see what you did. Did you do any? I did Crazy Ivans today, by the way, talking about some good news.
Actually.
I don't have your account up here. I got mine. I got this CLS that you put me in yesterday. I'm down $1,000, but look, 280, and I got 281. I might roll. Should I roll that, you think? Or you want me to wait till Monday? What do you think? Should we just roll it down and out? It's a good example.
I thought you got out of it already when it was positive.
No. Let's roll it down and out just for fun. It's good for the show. So let's go down here and say what we were looking for is the credits down. You can't see this.
No.
So there we go. So there, now you can see it. Now you can see the credit says 1075 here. And we want to roll this down until we get to a zero credit. No debit. That's a debit.
Oh, you got to change the date.
Well, I'm out. So this was 14 days. Now it's going to be out 42 days. You want me to go further farther? A little bit?
I'm getting dollar credit for what, 260?
260. So it'd have to drop another 20.
No interest on it, though.
I know. I'm just going to have to well, too late. Market is closed. All right, well, don't lie. That's what we're saying, right? Don't lie. And we'll take a look at, just so you can see on these cues, these are the Crazy Ivans that I did. I started getting into these this morning at $185, then 195, then 205, then 215.
Where are the comments?
What's that?
I don't see any comments.
Well, the comments are right here.
Okay, so you've been paying attention.
So somebody sold silver. Hopefully you put on NQs today. Yes, Michael, that's exactly what I did. And Scott says Hermes or Louis Vuitton.
Christian Louboutin.
Christian Louboutin. But you don't like Louis Vuitton or Hermes?
I do, but mainly Christian Louboutin.
Mainly Christian Louboutin. What's all those bags up there? What's the other place? Right next to the Apple store in New York. Right there across from
Dior.
Christian Dior, yeah. Those are
nice. Yeah. What other questions you have here?
That's it. Oh, no. Trump train. Woohoo. Just tuned in. What's today's profit? Today's profit is we made $1 million. No, we lost 40 grand today. 40 something, I think, right? I think we lost 40. Here it is.
After 40, anything after that is all the same.
Same with our age, right? Anything after 40, it's all the same. So, but let's get all kidding aside. This is where we are on these Crazy Ivans. And we love these things. It's not, just in case you don't remember, it's 40 to 65 days out, 12 delta. And we put those on any big down days. And then we take them off at 25% profit. I have been dilatory in not doing that. This one used to be at 50% profit. So I'm going to hang on for 50% profit. But that is not what you should do. Do what I say, not what I do. Don't even do what I say. Our attorneys say do not follow us. So, all right, that's all we've got for today. Apologies for the technical difficulties. Next Friday, we will announce the #1 back tester in the world. And we'll try and do better. I don't know what happened.
We need to get somebody here to fix this stuff.
Yeah. So, okay, Tyler told me to hit this in stream and then to wait 20 seconds. So,
Have a good weekend.
yep, have a very good weekend. Good for you. We go here, we hit in stream.
Okay.
And then you got to wave and, oh, it canceled.
I guess I have to sit here all night.
There it is. In 3, wave goodbye. There. It's when you hit it, it's 20 seconds behind.